Hello everyone, I am Jacob Gonzalez with the Texas Guardianship Association. I am the Systems Administrator. Today I'm going to be showing you how to access our online education portal as well as how to purchase and access any videos. So you want to start by going to texasguardianship.org. That is our website, so this is just the home page. So the easiest way to access the education tab is right at the top, right where it says education. You just click on that and that'll take you to our education page. So currently we're working on this page to make it easier to use, but in the meantime, you can go ahead and click on the link we provide, and that'll take you to our academy. So from here, let me go ahead and log out so it's like a new user. This is what you'll see if y'all aren't logged in. You'll just see the regular page here. You'll see the login in the top right. You don't need to click that yet. So once you look through all of our packages, you can see all courses to see all the ones we have offered. Once you decide, say you want chapter 12, go ahead and click either details or anywhere on this. It'll all take you to the same place. It'll give you a brief description of the video. It'll give you who the speaker was, the CEUs or CLEs offered, as well as the cost for members versus non-members. So what you want to do is you want to click purchase here, and that'll take you to the purchasing page. So first things first, you're going to want to log in. So let me log in. So once you're logged in, it'll show this page. So it'll show the general section. You have to enter your name, your phone number, and your email, and then you select which course you want to purchase. So because I'm on a tester account, it's $0. I believe for members is $25. For non-members, this specific one is $50, and that is our general pricing. And then once you click that, it'll take you to a summary. So this will just tell you, hey, this is the name you entered, the phone number, your email, and the course name, and then it'll give you a total. So for me, because it's a $0 total, I just hit submit and it'll complete the purchase. For everyone else, when you do it, it'll take you to a purchasing page where you can enter in your information so that you can actually purchase it. But once you do that, once you finish completing your purchase, it'll take you to this confirmation page to let you know that you have successfully purchased the package. And then it'll just tell you, you'll get an email confirmation as well. And you can click finish once you are done, and that'll take you back to here. So you're going to want to go ahead and look at the top right. You're going to want to log out. So the reason why you have to log out is because our system won't refresh your permissions. So it won't give you access until you log out and log back in. So then you click login. So once you're logged in, it'll say this. You can just click online classroom in the top right. So once you're back here, in order to access your video, you have to click login in the top right. And then that'll log you into the academy. And then once you see my account, you're good to go. Go ahead and navigate to the video that you purchased. So in this case, chapter 12. And now you see lesson 1 is underlined. Before it wasn't, so now we can click on it. And now it'll say package was added to your account in green at the top. And now it'll also show you the video down below. Some of our packages might include a copy of the PowerPoint or other notes. That'll also appear on here as additional files. So now that the package is added to your account, we can go here to my account in the top right. You can click my courses, and it'll show you all the courses that you have purchased and that you have viewed after purchasing. Once you have purchased it, it won't show up in your My Courses tab until you open it for the first time. But now that you've purchased it, you can just click View Course once again, and it'll take you back to this page, and you just click Lesson 1 again to view the video anytime after you purchased it. Now, upon completion of watching this video, if it has any CEUs or CLEs, it will automatically generate your certificate. So in this case, I've already watched the video chapter 13 all the way. And then if you like to view your certificate or to download it for your own files, you can click on the download button right here. and it'll download a copy of your certificate. Right here it is. The name of this person was tester. It'll have the webinar name, how many CEUs it was worth, the date of completion, as well as the signatures and the course numbers. And then from there, you can just click at the top right, download, and it'll download it to your computer. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to TGA, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.